Greetings and salutations. I am going to show off a little tutorial on how to emboss text on, say, a ring or any other kind of curved surface. FreeCAD 1.0.1. And to do that, make a new project and start from the workbench. And then you make sketch, create a sketch. XY plane, that's fine. I'm gonna make a ring because that's how, or rather why I learned how to make this. Here, I'll wear a size 10. 8 meters, according to this downloadable and paper printable sizing guide from Enzo Edge, offset geometry, millimeter. Now I got the sketch of the go up here to extrude next to the sketch. I want this 5 mil. Okay. Basic ring. And now, you can fiddle around with it, chamfer it, fillet it. I like filleting it. Wrong side. One edge, fillet fish. Select all edges. For this size in particular, 0.75 does well. It has of it there. You can fiddle with it. You'll have to fiddle it with it based on the ring size. Otherwise, it kind of looks like it's going in on itself. Anywho, next part, we go to the curves workbench. Don't have that. Go to the tool add-on manager. Search for curves. And you search for curves. And install it. But now that you got that, select the face of the ring. Circular part, that goes around. Click sketch on surface. It makes body over here with a mapped sketch. Double click the map sketch. Rectangle here. Click all 4 of the lines to select them while holding control and toggle construction geometry. This is so you can see the box while you're working where the text is going to go. Alright. Now you've got all this. Graph. Going to create shape from text. And click somewhere on the screen. I usually have to move it. I just click wherever, kind of close to the box. Your string, that's going to be your text. Say live for. Who doesn't like Spock? Height. I do 2 mil for this ring in particular. I mean, you can change the height to whatever you want, obviously. Font style, font file. You can download fonts. You can find the font path for Windows, or if you're on Linux, I don't know what they are. offhand, but I have PNG title here. Click OK. Once you select the font, click OK again, and boom, there's your text in the rectangle. This looks okay for tutorial purposes. Obviously, you can move it around and fiddle with it. Snap to center or any of these other options. Get it perfectly placed wherever you want it. That's not why I'm making it. Anywho, you go from graph back to part. And you're gonna want to open up the mapped sketch again. Click the rectangle lines, scroll, or not toggle. It is toggle. Toggle construction geometry. That way they don't show up anymore. Actually. Now, done that, not actually on the ring yet. Get that show up on surface, and this on surface portion, extra objects. Click the ellipsis, shape string text. Oh, take a moment. Pop up there. Alright, now it's flat on the ring. You're gonna want to change some things. Like it's reversed for one. So if you want to change that, to go over to reverse U, true, and now you can read it. Back, and you're gonna want to fill the faces. You know, the base of it is filled. And you got your nice green glowy text. So now for the next part, you're probably going to want to toggle transparency on the ring or whatever object you're working with. That way you can kind of see how deep the emboss is. As you can see, it's flat. Change that, you go back to surface. Toy with the offset and thickness. I'm going to go for a negative 0.4 with a thickness of 1. As you can see, the text is embossed or indented the object. And now all you have to do is select fillet and extrude fillet. It has to be extrude. Go try to do it from part design. It just doesn't work. I don't know why, but it has to be part, an extruded part from. But you select the fillet and sketch on surface. Click, go over to the bouillon area, but now got embossed text on a curved surface. I don't know how well this is going to print because of these little O's, R's, O's and the R's and the R's and the O's. Everything else should work fine, but that stuff. Anyway, now you can just, export, send it to your 3D printer, see if it works. I'm still toying with mine. I just got a K1C. So, thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.